So we were going back because we have done our fact finding. We have found out everything we need to find. It is to now bring the trade fair complex management, the Lagos State government, and any other stakeholder so that they will sit on a table and then this matter will be resolved. What we can all beg you and ask you is please, let there be no violence, let there be no trouble, let nobody take laws into their hand. The reason why we came here is because we are lawmakers, and as lawmakers we cannot abide you breaking the law. And what we will try to do is to ensure that every other person involved in this does also not break the law. Let us know exactly what is at stake and how it can be resolved. You can trust us that we are going to do that. So finally, before me uruche, otu ihe unu ga-ama onye ji mmadụ n'ala jikwa onwe ya. Ọkwa ya nọ? Ọ ya. Bueno. Ịdị mgbe okwu ya. Akata ga na anyị ọcha.
What are you selecting Abaribe? Akọbọlọkwa eto sile. Ihe a bịara bụ ihe ndị Igbo na-akpọ ọnụrụbe nwanne. Anyị gụrụ ihe na-emeli. Wee kọtara anyị gwara na TV. And even today we came with
all of you are not abiding, hard-working people trying to do your business. We cannot be talking about foreign investors. We're local investors are not protected. We can only bring foreign investors if local investor is protected. One of the houses they destroyed ever. The man's partner with the daughter. He find investors at his office when he was being destroyed. You think if they go back, they'll come again? No. They won't come back. Everyone foreign investor will protect the local investor. Make the business thrive. What government is supposed to be doing here is coming to support you people. For the market to approve, not to destroy anything. You have taken all these legislators, you have taken it on, all we are feeling. Let there be peace. Let there be reconciliation. Let all the states of Nigeria and everywhere understand that this is time to protect businesses. This is time to support businesses. So I thank all of you for your speech, for coming out here and show you that we must continue until we have a new Nigeria like this.